So having a problem with this Miele dishwasher. So when I start, it can drain, water can be drained. You can see, no problem. But the problem happens when the water comes in. Get to the side. Yeah, so it's keep doing this. Water coming in and then stop. Water coming in, stop. Water coming in, stop. So and this is the light. Yeah, so you can see this light is flashing. I've been trying to clean the inside, and then yes, doesn't seem to fix the problem. No idea what's going on in here. I believe the drain is not having no problem, because the water can be drained out. I think it's the water in. It just keep kicking. Welcome to any idea of how to fix it. Thank you.